Hello, everybody. Happy Sunday. Welcome to the Open House Show. I am your host, Katie Serpa, and we have a good show for you lined up today. We have Miss Toby Love with the Cross Country Mortgage. She's going to be giving us our market update and the Mortgage Minute. We have Mr. David Serpa out in Marietta today. And we broadcast every Sunday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And if you would like to be on the Open House Show, we would love for you to reach out to us, and we would love to have you on here. So if you are a homeowner and you want your home showcased on this show, reach out to us. If you're a real estate agent and you would like to showcase a listing that you currently have or a home that you're just holding open, please feel free to reach out to us. We would love to have you on the show. So we're going to kick it off today with Miss Toby Love. She is going to give us our market update and our mortgage minute. She's with Cross Country Mortgage. So let's go ahead and bring on Toby. Hi, Toby.
Hey, good morning, or good afternoon, Katie. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I am enjoying this rain. How about you?
I'm enjoying the rain as well. It's kind of been a nice change up. It's been very cold, but we haven't had much rain, so I'm really enjoying it today.
Yep, me too. Me too. I'm all snuggled up in the house today, so that's a good thing.
Good. Same for me.
So, market update. So rates are still doing phenomenal. Rolling into, we're in February now. This is our first show of February, and rates are still doing excellent. So it is definitely, I've been talking to a lot of clients that kind of missed the boat mid last year as far as rates go, because they did tick up and then they tick back down. And so that the rates have really been one of the driving forces in us coming into a hotter market so quickly this year. And I think it's going to continue to warm up with the rates staying the way they're staying, and maybe even going down a little bit. So I think
that's wild.
I know. And and I think overall we're going to see that for a majority of this year. I don't know if we'll see it for the whole entire year, but I know that we'll see it for a majority of the year. So if you missed the boat last year, rates are low, jump on the wagon now.
Yes.
So my mortgage tip of the week this week is debt to income ratio. So what is a debt to income ratio? So a debt to income ratio is basically what you have coming in against what you have going out. Now, what goes into a debt to income ratio? So your housing payment, so your new mortgage payment, any installment debt, student loans, credit cards, and then things that mostly show up on your credit report, but a couple things that wouldn't show up on your credit report would be child support, alimony, IRS payments, things like that.
Okay.
So those are things that go into the debt to income ratio. Now, different loans have different types of mortgage or debt to income ratio requirements. So, for example, on a conventional loan, 50% debt to income ratio. So that means your mortgage payment plus all your debts cannot be more than 50% of your gross income coming in. And FHA is roughly about 55, 56%, depending on credit scores and things like that. And then VA doesn't really have a minimum debt to income. It's more based off of residual income, which is a different mortgage minute we'll talk about down the road. So that's my mortgage tip of the day. So debt to income ratios are one of the main things that we look at in addition to credit when we're figuring out if you qualify for a loan. Yeah. So keeping, credit card debt, installment debts down is definitely something you want to focus on when you're getting prepared to purchase a home.
Very cool. Well, thank you for the info. I think that, consumers do get caught up. I get a lot of questions constantly when it comes to debt and all that. It really kind of depends on what kind of loan you're trying to qualify for. It really can vary loan to loan.
Credit history comes into play too. Yeah. Sometimes if you have lower credit scores or a more, not as great of a credit history, your debt to income ratio requirement could be lower as well. Yeah. And little thing also is that debt to income ratios can also determine interest rate along with loan to value and credit scores. So a lot of things go into that. And so whenever we're tempted, and I know I'm tempted a lot because we go to the store, we go to Kohl's, we go to wherever, and they're like, oh, open our card and save 30%. It is so tempting to do that, especially I love to save $1. So but you have to be careful of those things because it's kind of like a rabbit hole. You get into it, and then that's something that would be included in your debt to income ratio. So there you go.
Well, good to know. Thank you. We appreciate the information as always. And I hope you enjoy the rest of this rainy day with your family.
Yes, absolutely. But if you need me, give me a holler. I'll be here.
Sounds good. Tell everybody how they can get a hold of you. Which phone number real quick?
So you can reach me at 951-704-7421. Call, text, whatever works for you, and we'll get you taken care of.
Sounds good. Thanks, Toby. We will see you next week. Have a good week.
See you next week. Bye.
Oh, sorry. I still got you on there. Come on. Can't seem to get you off. Okay.
There we go.
Thank you. All right. Next, we are going to bring on David Serpa. He's out in Marietta today. Let's get David up here. I can hear the rain in the background. Bringing you on, David.
Hello, everybody. It is a very cool day here. I'm right off of Winchester Road here in French Valley at Griffith Park, and it is cold.
Yeah.
Check this out.
It looks beautiful, though, and I can...
It's wet out there.
That's
why I'm the only person here on the open house show. I'm at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and a condo here in Griffith Park. There's also a 2-car garage, which is very nice. So that's the garage. You can see how wet it is today.
It's a lot of rain. Oh. Darn it, I lost you. Hold on. There you are.
Trying to kick me off the show, Kate?
No, it won't let me split the
screen.
Good
night.
It won't let me split the screen.
All right, so we'll go inside here. It's all 3 bedrooms are upstairs. That is a real fire that's going today.
It's a little bit better there. It was really breaking up.
Get a lot of that in Southern California.
That's beautiful.
It's that cold today. And here, picture windows right up here at the top of the stairs that really brighten this up. And then you've got all 3 bedrooms upstairs. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, the laundry, and then the master just right here. The master has a walk-in closet, and this is Griffith Park. So these are like pretty much like detached condos, and not a lot of places that you can buy here in Winchester at this price. There's a pool that's included, and let's see here. I don't have a whole hell of a lot else to say.
It's really nice
here on the show. I think I might have to just go ahead and cut it off. But come by and see me today. And it is listed.
Oh, We lost David. Well, I am sorry, David. Maybe we'll have better connection next week. I bet with all the rain, it is just not happening today. That's okay. If you would like to be on the open house show, though, we've been sending out the link every Sunday. Last week we had Terry on out in Riverside. I think next weekend we're going to have another agent locally. Tia is going to be on, and we are broker neutral. So there is no reason to not showcase whichever house you're holding open. We would love to have you on. Just reach out to me in Facebook Messenger or send me a text at 951-349-8047, and I will get you out the schedule for next week. Again, this is the Open House Show. We record every Sunday, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I hope you guys all have a really wonderful day. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.